कि बहुत भारी थी सर। मैं अभी आज तक देखा नहीं, वहाँ भी जितने लोग थे कोई नहीं बोले अभी अब पहली बार देखी। बहुत भारी आगे भी पीछे भी पूरा इतना बड़ा था ये। यहाँ बैठने के लिए ऐसा था, इस तरफ चुपचाप बैठ जाओ बस।
चलो दादा। Another booster. So fam, there was a slight change in the program. Everybody was exhausted once we rode down from Bombay, so we chilled out for today. The main event with all the big bikes and the cars will be happening tomorrow. So I was bored in the hotel room, so I said why not, just step out, do a little capturing some good moments, and get myself some nice evening snacks. So that's what we're up to right now. So yeah, जैसे कहानी आगे बढ़ेगी, you'll see it. So yeah. So we just finished with a little evening snack, and this is Lonavala for you in the evening. I myself have never seen it, and it's become so civilized. It's unbelievable from what we used to see. Oh yes, this is so gorgeous. It's cold weather and I am in love. I think I should do this more often. Just take 2 days off, come to Lonavala and ride around. I have never seen Lonavala at this hour, and it's just bloody gorgeous, man. It's more beautiful than I expected it to be. Beautiful little round of Lonavala at night, and I didn't know it's become this beautiful, to be very honest. Really didn't know it's become this beautiful. So we're doing another one of the Lonavala rituals once again. I just come out for a walk. It's beautiful weather. Because of the event, the roads are completely jam-packed. There is not a hair's room to sort of move. So that's the reason I dropped the bike off at home at the hotel, and I'm just out taking a walk. I'll probably go into the market and check out the place once again. So fam, we are naha dho ke ready. Yesterday was a slight change in the schedule. We reached Lonavala and we were supposed to go straight up to Ambi Valley after lunch and stuff like that. Unfortunately, we were all too exhausted, so we decided to call it a day. Now the main event, which is the superbike, supercars and all of the good stuff, is on day 2, which is today. So it is roughly 7:38 a.m. and I need to go down, eat breakfast and leave for the valley if I want to record these beautiful machines and works of art. So let's get ready first. So fam, I'm just warming up the bike. It's time to go up. We're done with breakfast and everything. I will continue it either on the motor vlog or I'll see you guys straight at Ambi Valley. So yeah, let's get going. Good sunny Sunday morning, fam. We finished off with breakfast, as you guys saw in the last clip and all of that, and now we head up to Ambi Valley. What gorgeous roads. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling even if I don't do a lot of talking, so you guys can get a little taste and experience for it. The road to Ambi Valley is extremely tricky, and hopefully we get it empty enough to sort of just sort of glide up, you know, because if there's too much traffic, the twisties become very difficult to sort of take. So yeah, let's take it nice and smooth and slow and all of that. Probably some of the people attending it, I'm guessing. Look at the gorgeous mountains, man. Look at that. So this is what I mean. Imagine a hairpin turn like that with people coming down the opposite side as well. It's this section that is brutal on anybody and everybody. This is what I mean. Like, cars will just halt. People are climbing in the wrong gear. That next one behind me just halted. And imagine having to do that, and you know, you're making the other person. In cars you're still okay, but on a bike, man, you're shitting bricks if somebody in front of you halts. Oh boy. Lonavala, whoever is the management for roads, man, please do this fucking stretch up, please. This is your highest highest visited and highest most used what do you call it, tourist location stretch, so please do it up. This stretch of tarmac is not forgiving. Some fantastic riders, beautiful riders. Loved how that Enfield guy, like, he was confident, he knew what he was doing. Yes, brother, yes. Savage, no? Sassy, bougie, ratchet. Man, this is a very interesting bit of road, because now you're going downhill and you're cornering. So, God help you apply your brakes. That is where you can use some engine braking. सॉरी यार गाइस, ऐसे कोई बेंच रास्ते के बीच में रुकता है ना, मैं बोल देता है सीधा. It's understandable, man. You're fucking climbing a ghat and like a chooth, you wanna, because you have a car, you're just pulling over in the middle of the fucking road. Very fucking insane, man. The bikes behind you, try and understand that. See, this is what I mean यार. Why do that? Just take it easy ना बाबा. भाई तू मस्त राइडर होएगा पर किसी और का गलती के लिए वेंचो तू उड़ जाएगा. और मैंने आंखों के सामने ये देखा है. It is never your fault, man. It's almost 90%. See that fucking ridiculous dicks. And you have a pillion, brother. You've got somebody else's life at stake. Your tire almost broke traction. I don't understand, man. Like, why do people do this? Like, you know, right to live a fucking another day, bro. There we go, brother. That's your first supercar sighting today. Nice. Nice. Nice cold winds from this forest area. I like this forest area a lot. It's another one of my favorite patches, and you can do some great photo shoots out here. Just that it's so far from Bombay के साला इधर आते ही आदमी की जान निकल जाए. So अगर वेकेशन पे आए हो तो यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. You can get some nice shots out here. It's a beautiful stretch. तो उससे अच्छा भाई आराम से चलाओ, क्या जल्दी है. फुल चाचा वाला रास्ता. हाँ, फुल चाचा सीन्स. सुबह का अच्छा खासा रन मिल गया है यार. क्या ब्यूटीफुल रास्ते है, क्या ब्यूटीफुल रास्ते है. पहाड़ियाँ देखो, पहाड़े देखो. Welcome to Ambi Valley. Welcome to the Ambi Valley airstrip. There you go. Where some sick action will be happening. A nice 458, I think. All the best driving on these roads, my brother. You can stand it here, no? So fam, we finally made it to the top. We've got the drag strip behind us. It's going to begin in a bit. Right now they're testing out the cars and stuff. I can't wait for all the action to happen and bring it to you guys, so stay tuned. So another coincidence, I happened to bump into... Sir, introduce yourself. So, all the pictures that you guys see from my Sunday rides to Charoti, this is the man behind it.
All God grace, always.
Contact him on Instagram if you guys want shoots. ये वो सब करते हो ना?
Obviously.
All shoots, no? Like
All shoots.
portraits, weddings, everything.
All
So yeah, any photography, you know where to go.
It's all about people.
So one more message that Gaurang sir has is a very important thing. You have a YouTube channel as well, right? What is it?
MotoGP with GP.
MotoGP with GP. There is a 1 hour long video. क्या नाम है उसका?
NH48 safety ride.
You guys have to check that out because उसमें there are pointers on every nook and corner of how to ride safely on that stretch, because there are a lot of these वो बोलते हैं ना sudden surprises जो मालूम नहीं पड़ता है and people are going wide or you know they are crashing, and especially all new riders, budding riders. The more the crashes, the more the community gets shamed.
Yes.
Okay, you know, we are rash and stuff like that. So make it a point to go through that, ride safely, know the road before you all are doing anything foolish.
एंड वैसे ही अहूरा का नाम पहले से लाइक इट्स अ होटल नेम, बट वो स्ट्रेच को काफ़ी बदनाम किया है कि वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे क्रैशेस होते हैं, बट लैक ऑफ नॉलेज और इरिस्पेक्टिव राइडिंग की वजह से होते हैं. सो ये वीडियो खास देखना आप लोग, बिकॉज वहाँ पे मेरे सारे पॉइंट्स जो टर्निंग्स हैं, जो पर्टिकुलर बेंडिंग्स हैं, क्या एनवायरनमेंट है, और वो काफ़ी अच्छे एलिवेशन है. इसके जैसा स्ट्रेच और फास्ट स्ट्रेच पूरे यहाँ पे किधर भी
मुंबई के आसपास
भी नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ अ गुड रोड, हैव अ सेफ राइड, और ये स्पोर्ट्स को हमें आगे लेके जाना है.
Yes, sir. I saw your car. How was it? Zohair bhai needs no introduction. The best wheelies in India. Bus kya? How was it? What's your take on the? I saw the story, so I shouldn't ask that.
Coming here for the first time.
एमपी वाली
फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा हूँ.
Okay.
तो ये बार हम साइंस की तरफ से
Science की तरफ से. Very wise. That's very wise.
नेक्स्ट टाइम 4 गाड़ियाँ लेके उठेंगे एक साथ बराबर.
Lovely.
अफसोस हो रहा है कि इतने उतारा हो बिल्कुल.
Bro, मैं आया, मेरे को अफसोस है मैंने उतारा. और like fuck, I wanted to whack it off.
भाई हम लोग को तो 700 किलोमीटर आना है, तुमने 50 किलोमीटर आना है.
Quite.
एंट्री आओ नहीं आओ, एंट्री डाल
बस
के छोड़ देंगे.
हमारा यहाँ पे ही कट गया. We'll leave it at this. ओ मेहुल सर.
अच्छा. अरे भाई कैसे हो?
बस बढ़िया, आप बताओ.
ऑल गुड ब्रो.
You're going in?
यार. या.
Okay. Is the 10 hour prep
All done.
all ready?
All ready.
Novice anxious?
Both and stressed and tired.
Stressed you?
होता है थोड़ा.
My, look who's here. How are you?
What's up?
So, it's midday almost, it's roughly 1. I badly need to grab some food because I'm ravishing hungry now. There's a whole morning of recording, whole morning of some crazy shit that we've seen. So yeah, let's get some food and we'll probably continue a little bit later. What up Ninja Turtle?
What's up?
So rough.
What's up, guys?
Our number one charity rider. What is your take on this time's IBW, man?
It was okay. We love Goa. Honestly, we love Goa.
Yeah, Goa has a whole different feel. I mean,
It's a
ideally
completely different thing.
Yeah.
It's not happening. It's okay. It's all right, but we miss Goa.
Yeah. And what about the Valley Run?
Iron is always amazing.
When are you putting your
Always
bike on the track strip?
No idea. I don't think I will.
Why?
I've already tried it once. I'm happy with it.
So
Now just here as a spectator.
right. And on charity with knee downs.
Ah, man. Just a normal ride.
So now we'll make an entry from. I'm actually entering from the back into IBW, just so that I don't have to cross the whole thing, take the bike out, all of that. We'll take a glimpse at IBW as well. There's been a lot of Valley Run stuff going on, mainly because it was so enthralling and stuff. But nevertheless, we'll also check out what IBW is like. So let's go. So as you guys noticed, that was it for IBW. There isn't a lot, even as Rough Rider said, the Goa setup is always better. The major companies are out here, Honda, Big Wing and stuff like that. But that's about it, you know, it's a very small little space they've hosted it at. So that's it for IBW. I guess we're going back to the Valley Run. this Ambi Valley. It is fucking cold right now. It's probably like 21 degrees, and with the wind blast we feel like it's fucking 15. So yeah, we did get a little late, and ideally I hate going down a ghat at this hour, but what has to be done has to be done. That's it. Was that guy with you?
Yeah, he was behind me only.
Where? What patch did he disappear?
I see them behind. You're talking about the Duke, right?
Yeah. There are two more people, right?
Yeah, there are three.
Two were there, no?
अरे हाँ, दोनों पे हैं.
Give them a call, I'm saying. How suddenly they disappeared? So I came across this really cute place called the Taste of Tilhard, and I'll take you inside. I ordered one adrak chai and I ordered coffee, and the adrak chai was absolutely out of the world. It was fabulous. So yeah, I am waiting on my food as well. This will probably be my last meal in Lonavala, and back out tomorrow morning. Stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work. I'll catch you guys soon. There's too much noise here. Alright fam, I am gonna officially use this little bit to end the vlog. It has been one crazy day and I had an absolute blast. I hope I could bring you guys the content you all wanted to see. If you guys stuck up till now, thank you so very much. It means the world to me. Go give us a thumbs up, hit the bell notification so that you get notified on all my future videos, and also drop a comment in the comment section. I cannot wait to reply back to you guys. Stick around, stay blessed, keep putting in the work. I will catch you guys in the next one.